What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, you can see my baby behind me, my brand new car, guys. No more X6. We have officially went in for competition xDRIVE, guys. You can check out the details right there. In for competition, guys. This thing is a beast. All right, all-wheel drive, over 500 horsepower, literally 0 to 60 seconds in like 3.4 seconds, guys. This thing is fast, it's quick. You can see the M buttons. Let me actually open this up. I'm gonna show you guys all the details, because man, this is just my dream car, man. I just can't believe like I actually got this. This is my first M series BMW, guys. My first car with 200 on the dash. Let me crank it up and show you guys. Oh, let me show you the buttons. You got the red button with the M, the orange interior, just crazy mood lighting. I gotta snatch that off, guys. It's brand new, but let me just go ahead and crank it up. I know you guys heard that, but you can see 200 on the actual dash. Like, this thing is so fast, guys. And like, honestly, I was just kind of bored with the X6. Like, it was just big, and you know, I don't know, I just wanted something sporty, something different. You know, I drove X6s for like the last 5 years pretty much, so I was just over like the whole driving truck thing. Like, I went drop top because I just feel like, you know what I'm saying, summer's coming up, it's only right. I'm in Florida a lot, you know, I travel. For those who watch my channel, you know, I always go to Florida and stuff, so this is the perfect car, guys, for that type of lifestyle. Single, I have no kids or, you know, no family or whatever, even though I got like this big townhouse, 4 bedrooms, like, you know what I'm saying, there's no need for a big truck. You know, I can drive kind of a 2-door sports car, so that's what I did. So yeah, I'm gonna do a lot to this car. I know the first things coming up is gonna be some tint, because let me show you guys, this thing is fishbowl. So the first thing I want to do is tint this fishbowl, because right now I'm looking crazy, man. So that's gonna be like the first thing I do. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna black this out, this little orange strip right here. I want to add a wing. I've been looking at wings already, so I'm most likely gonna add like a black wing on top of here or something. And guys, let me know what you think. Should I black these out or no, or should I just leave this alone? Should I black? I'm thinking about blacking these, blacking this, and yeah, just going full black. But yeah, man, this thing all-wheel drive, 20 inch rims. Yeah, man, carbon fiber here, carbon fiber all in the car, on the trim and stuff like that. So yeah, man, with this orange interior, I feel like it just sets it off. You can even see the M4 lights up in the actual seats. So this thing is just nuts, and it has the mood lighting and stuff as well. So I mean, I just love this car. I'm happy I got it. It's already been fun to drive, and I only drove it, I want to say like 20-30 miles. As you can see, it's only 65 miles on the car. So this thing is brand spanking new. I gotta take it in for service after the first 1,200 miles. I guess that's just something they do with M series cars. So yeah, so that's so far the mods I'm gonna do to it. So I don't know if I'm gonna like keep it updated on this channel. You'll just like most likely see it again on the channel or something, and you'll see like 5% or so on there, and the wing and stuff get added. So that's just a little quick tour of the car, but right now I want to give you guys some revs so you can hear how much of a beast this thing sounds. So guys, as you can see, the sound is crazy. I'm just sitting in here, man, just admiring the details. But I forgot to mention this detail right here, guys. This actually blows air through it. You just press these buttons right here, and like it's kind of was cold, and I had the top down. It was like 67 degrees, and I turned this on. It was like heat just blowing through the seats and stuff like that. So that was pretty cool. Yeah, it has a bunch of different modes. You got M1 mode. I can show you the different modes here. You can see I can put the engine in like comfort, sport plus. I can also open up the pipes, close the pipes. Yeah, man, just a whole bunch of different modes. You know, use the paddle shifters and stuff like that to like really get the real sound. This is just a dream come true, man. If it wasn't for CPA marketing, like I don't know where I would be in life, honestly, guys. I drive pretty good in the X6, but it was boring, guys. It was big, it wasn't slow. It was 300 horsepower, but it wasn't enough power. It wasn't what I was really trying to do. So this is exactly what I'm trying to do. I feel like this is the car for me, guys. Like this thing is just a dream come true. If you're somebody out there, man, you want to drive luxury cars, luxury sound systems, drop tops, like guys, is do CPA marketing, man. Become a super affiliate. Like it's worth it. Like a lot of people think investing in campaigns, investing in traffic and stuff like that isn't worth it, but I'm showing you the fruits of the labor right here. This is what you can get when you have successful campaigns, and this is not only the fruits. You guys see I was just on vacation, you know, I travel all over the world, stuff like that, thanks to CPA marketing. So I'm actually gonna head in real quick, close this garage up. I don't think you guys see my updated office anyway. So this is the office right here. Quick little tour behind the scenes. You can see I'm playing some Assetto Corso. I like to play like No Hezzy server sometimes, stuff like that. I got the pedals down there, steering wheel with the paddle shifters, shifter right here. Yeah, I was actually on a coaching call earlier. That's why you see AF Pan pulled up. So I was going over like some good CPA networks to get involved with, and I'll kind of give you guys like the same kind of tips, man. If you want to do what I do, make crazy amounts of money working from home, living the life you want to live, you know, playing video games, driving dream cars, taking vacations, making money from your laptop, like this is why it's possible, guys. CPA networks and affiliate offers. So you got to get access to these affiliate networks. I say just get involved with networks that pay on a weekly basis, and that should be good enough for you, because what happens is some of these networks can be like monthly and stuff like that, net 30, and that can cause cash flow issues for newbies and people just beginning, because when you're spending money on traffic, you're most likely gonna want that money right back. So yeah, that's just a tip for all the new people who are like gonna start filling out network applications to get accepted to affiliate networks, so that you can start running these CPA offers like these, and yeah, start making some money online. Simple goals, right? You might not be the type of person where you can hit $100,000 in revenue in your first 6 months. Like my whole thing is giving this stuff time. I'm actually pause this down right here. If you didn't know, my whole lifestyle is pretty much manifestation, guys. I take manifestation stuff really serious. A lot of people think it's woo-woo, it's cap. That stuff don't work, but I'm telling you guys, I literally reprogrammed my subconscious mind. I used to be broke. Like my parents was not rich. I didn't have no money. Like I literally dropped out of college. I had to go move back in with my parents not too long ago. And what changed it for me? What changed it for me, guys, was sitting here listening to these affirmations, listening, writing down my goals all the freaking time, right? I'm always changing my goals, adding new goals. My vision board, I'm changing my vision board like every 2 weeks. I'm just keeping my mind updated and fresh on things I want out of life, the lifestyle I want to live, and that's how all this stuff keeps coming to me. And I just keep progressing and progressing, and things keep getting better and better for me, because I'm literally forcing my mind to focus on things getting better and better and good things happening to me and stuff like that. There's some people even on this channel, like y'all just be like, CPA marketing, it don't work, it's hard, oh, I'm trying, I tried, it didn't work. Like you just like pretty much the type of person that just give up. You're not really like somebody that's gonna take it serious and like really make it happen for yourself. Like that's the only people that's gonna get results. People that's like forcing the success, but you're like, all right, how do I force success? The only way that you can possibly force success, guys, is literally changing your whole entire mindset. That's forcing success. But a lot of you guys don't want to give up going out, hanging out with friends, drinking, worrying about courting girls. You don't want to give up. You may have to give up your job. You may have to give up like everything, you know. Like I literally had to quit my job and go all in, like focus. I went broke chasing this dream, you know what I'm saying? But it all like came back to me tenfold. So even though I lost out, I ruined my credit. I used to have like a 560 credit score. Now my credit is like 830 something. So it's like I literally just changed everything about myself. But it's like, how did I do it, guys? I'm telling you, if you do what I do, which is if you're in my mobile academy or you in my private coaching, then you know, following all the tips, of course, but you have to do some extra stuff. I don't care if that's reading Think and Grow Rich. I don't care if it's sleeping to affirmations. I don't care if it's binaural beats while you working. Like, you gotta go deeper in your mind. You gotta start changing your mindset, because what people biggest hang up be and why they're not successful is simply because they are not tapping into the power of their subconscious mind. You are just winging it and hoping and wishing like, all right, if I do this and this, maybe this will happen for me. It should just work like that, but it don't. The people who win in life are the people who are strong-willed, the people who they may like not need to do all the extraness, but I best believe they do listen to audio, best believe they do read some type of books. Like, that's just what it takes. But if you're not the type of person where you're like, all right, I'm gonna pick up a book, all right, I'm gonna listen to this hour audio, I'm gonna watch a Tony Robbins seminar, I don't care what kind of growth and self-help it is, but that's what it takes. That's why you think these conferences make millions, all these business conferences and Grant Cardone and all these coaching programs. People want help. People are out here looking to learn and grow, and those are the type of people that make it in life, people that are willing to learn and grow. So that's the type of person that I am. That's the type of person I teach my students to be, and everybody on this channel. Like, that's all I'm telling you guys. You want to have the nice things in life, you want to travel, go on vacations, all this other stuff all the time, and make as much money as you want. I'm telling you, you got to go deep within yourself and really turn your mindset around on how you view success, how much you feel it's obtainable, because a lot of you guys feel like this shit is so far away and so far reaching. Some people think $10,000 a month is a lot of money, $100,000 a month is a lot of money, and things like that. And it's like, if you keep thinking of all these things in those ways, it can never happen for you, because you're not thinking of it in the right mindset. But if you change your mindset, I'm telling you, you're opening up so many doors for your life. Right now I'm probably just gonna go right around drop top. It's a nice day in Atlanta, it's sunny outside, so I'm most likely just gonna go grab some food, grab some drinks or something. So for everybody who stuck around to the end of this video, my private coaching is back open, so I am accepting a few more students. Click below this video, and once you're on my site, you'll see all the different private coaching packages that I have to offer. So yeah, make sure you visit that site down below. Also, make sure you like this video, share this video with somebody who maybe wants to do CPA marketing, or M4 is their dream card, showing you guys a possible way on this channel where you can get it for yourself. That's all I got for this video. Comment down below if you got any questions or anything like that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.